Oh, right, hi guys. Day 4 of my skiing. It's that day, unfortunately. Thursday. About 3:30 now, just walking back to the hotel, which is just down there, not too far away. Hope you can see me right. I'm using my GoPro for this on widescreen, so I hope you can see me as well. Didn't take my main camera in it just in case I'll break it or something. So, yeah, good day skiing. Did all the blacks, up and down, had lunch, and then poodled around, did my own thing, did a bit of filming. Good day. So, what I'm just saying at the moment, why I am walking back to the hotel, so is I don't want to really sort of wait around for the lift bus, ski bus, or pay for taxi to get back. So I thought the last couple of days I've been walking back, and you know what, it's actually been doing me some good. I'm not feeling all the aches and pains for the next day, so this little walk back for about half an hour is part of my cool down. So and warm down and keeping my muscles supple. So most people will just get on the ski bus back and probably get a hot bath, which is good, but I'm sort of doing a different way and relaxing my muscles, having a nice walk, about half an hour, 45 minutes, just nice and leisurely. And it's quite nice walking around in the mountains, as you can see. So really good. So one more day skiing. My little niece is hopefully going to do some racing tomorrow, get some footage of that. Might splice it in later on in another video. And good day. So one more day and I'm enjoying it. So see you guys later. Cheers.